Whether you're an affiliate marketer on platforms like ClickBank, Digital24, or you're a CPA marketer right now, you can actually use the strategy I'm about to show you in this video to get targeted traffic to your CPA marketing offers or your affiliate marketing products and make a lot of money online. I'm going to walk you through this in a step-by-step pattern, so do watch as we actually dive right into this strategy, learn and also replicate the strategy to make a lot of money online. So firstly guys, if you intend on actually utilizing affiliate marketing products, you can go on to registering for any affiliate marketing platform of your choice, get cool products you want to promote, and also make use of the tools that will be made available to you by that particular platform that could help you promote those products. Now, for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be sticking with utilizing CPA marketing offers right here. And if you want to utilize CPA marketing offers, you first of all guys want to just simply go on to getting a very cool and amazing content that you can just simply utilize right now. Now, what I'm actually going to be utilizing for the CPA marketing platform is just simply leverage their content locking capabilities. That's why I actually did head onto this platform called the freeplrdownloads.com to actually get a very cool content. I can just simply lock in the content locker and utilize that to gain a lot of cool and amazing attention to complete my offers, and I make some cool affiliate commissions. Now you can see right here that there are various niches you can just simply focus on. They are the make money online niche right now. You can actually see the email marketing niche, Facebook, finance, and the niche keep going on and on and on. Now you can focus on any niche of your choice. Maybe you want to just simply focusing on this niche, on this ebook, understanding your life's perspective. If you select that right now guys, you will be brought to a page that looks similar to this. Now while on this page, you want to scroll down to the bottom section, click on this download icon, download the ebook on your device, but you actually need to come onto platforms like mediafire.com right there. On Mediafire, you could just simply sign up for a free account, go on to uploading that content by clicking on upload, click on the plus icon, select that particular ebook you just downloaded from your device and upload on this particular platform. Now once that has successfully been uploaded, you want to just simply go on to getting a link for that particular product right now. As you can see, this one right here is about making money online. You can see this one says let's make money online. It's a very cool content I uploaded on this platform. So I'm going to just simply click on this link icon to copy the link right now to share. And once I do copy that, I'm going to head on to platforms like CPA Grip right now, which is a CPA marketing platform that has the content locking capabilities. You want to just simply sign up for an account, click on register. You will be brought to a page that looks similar to this. Provide your details on all the fields provided right here, agree to the terms of service and get your account created, then go on to log in into your account. So take a look at this. Once you're logged into your account, come onto this page, and to get to this page, come right here, select the monetization tool option, select the URL file locker if you're utilizing CPA Grip, or if you're using other CPA marketing platform, make sure you use the content locker option. Now you want to click on right here, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue right here. And once you do that guys, you just want to go on to this very section that says locked URL right now. That's where you want to paste in the link to that particular Mediafire content that you just uploaded right there. Go on to the template section and you want to select this file download locker. Once you do select that, head back to general option. Now in this section guys, you may actually be seeing the preview in this section once the page loads up successfully. Now you want to edit all these details right here to actually fit into that ebook. Now you could edit the file name, the file size, the last uploaded date and the last downloaded date. Also edit the name right now. Maybe I can actually put in something like make money locker. And once you do that successfully and edit that appropriately, just simply click on save. Now what this actually does is that once we actually do go on to getting the link to this URL file locker, people will actually have to complete an offer first before they can gain access to that particular locked content in the URL file locker right now. So once they complete an offer, regardless of the location they actually do come from, I'm just simply going to make some cool affiliate commission, and they're actually going to gain access to that content for free. So take a look at this guys. Once all that is done, I'm just going to click on get link, copy the link to the locker and go on to promoting that. Now to promote that, you may actually need to create a landing page, of which if you want to learn how to do that, head on to my channel ojmarketing, click on the search icon and just simply type in landing or landing page. You can type in any of that and you're going to just simply see some cool and amazing videos that teaches you how to create a landing page, which I created for you. Now check out all these videos. All of them are actually showing you how to create landing pages with some specific platforms for your CPA marketing offer. This one shows you how to create a landing page with Systemy.io, this with Google Sites, this with Webflow, and this with Breezy.io. So you can just simply check out each and every one of them, create a very cool landing page, and go into promoting that with this platform called classifiedads.net. Now, if you want to promote your ads for free, utilize this particular platform. But if you want to utilize a paid strategy to get much more effective traffic to your offers, you want to utilize this platform called thepropellerads.com. Now, this is a very cool platform that you can utilize to get targeted traffic to your offers right now. And this is actually a paid platform. If you want to just simply know how to promote your offers utilizing this particular platform, check out my channel. Just simply come right here and search for Propeller Ads right now in the search section. I'm going to show you some videos that I created that shows you how to easily promote your offers with that platform. Now, if you want to promote your offers utilizing the free strategy, utilize the classifiedads.com. Come right here, click on post an ad for free. Once you do that, guys, you want to just simply go into selecting the category of the offer right now. Maybe I can just simply put in something like item for sale. You want to select the category right now of that particular item. Maybe I'm going to select books and magazine. You want to select the zip code. Maybe if I want to put in something like New York, I can just simply select that right now, and I could just simply give this a very cool ad title, a very cool description, and in the description make sure you also leave in the link to your affiliate marketing offer or your CPA marketing offer. Once I do type in something like click here after writing a very cool description, that's at the end of the description, highlight that click here, click on this link icon, and paste in your landing page link or your URL file locker link right here in that section. Once you do that, just simply click on OK. And once somebody actually goes on to clicking on click here, it's going to lead them to that particular offer. So fill out all the other details appropriately and promote your offer. Now, if you want to get more other cool platforms to promote your offers for free, just simply copy this domain, which is the classifiedads.com. If you actually do copy that right here, you want to head on to a very cool platform called the sitelike.org. Now, with this platform, guys, you just need to come right here, paste in that particular link right now, which is classifiedads.com. Click on search, and it's going to just simply show you some alternative website that you can use in place of classified ads to promote your offers. Now, if you do scroll down to the bottom, you can see find out about 69 classifiedads.com alternatives that you can also go on to utilizing. So just simply scroll through. You can see how cool all these websites actually are and how all the alternatives actually are. So you can utilize such alternatives to actually get traffic to your offers and go on to promoting your offers for free. So why not just simply leverage this and get traffic to your offers and make money online? If you're looking for other ways to make money online, check out my channel right here called ojmarketing. Check out the videos. There are a lot of cool videos to help you out. You could also go on to subscribing to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.